Whilst I was doing this bleeding and before I put these new injectors in, I thought I'd just do a very quick video on some questions that people often ask. When you put injectors in, Mike, what about the washers? See, underneath these protective caps, when you put the injectors in, you're supposed to use these little steel washers, and they go with the raised portion towards the nozzle. They will compress, but that's the important point, that you don't put them that way around. I can't see what difference it would make, but you put them so they look like that, see? And then your copper washers go on here, like that. Now, one of the most important things you should do whenever you get copper washers is check them with a magnet. Oh, there's that other piece. Is check them with a magnet, like so. You know, just make sure there's no steel ones. There is an awful lot of steel copper washers on the market, and they won't compress, and they're a waste of time, and that's why people have a lot of problems with injectors not sealing properly. Now, one other thing, just wait a minute, I'll tell you how you put those little steel rings in. You can tell I make this up as I go along. When you're putting these rings in, drop them down the injector tube, it's quite easy that they actually turn on their way down. So get a drill bit or a thin screwdriver, push that down into the injection hole, and then put these on the top, like so, and all they can do is fall the right way around. So that's it. That's all you need to know about when you're fitting the injectors. I'm going to fit these, that's pretty boring, I don't think you'll learn anything there. All you've got to do is back off the pipes, undo the spill rail, replace the washers on the spill rail, undo the nuts evenly, pull them out. I like to put a little bit of anti-seize around here, just basically to stop any water getting in and rusting them up, because sometimes injectors can be a bugger to get out if they've been in a few years. So let me get on with that, and hopefully this will cure this problem. So there's a few tips on replacing washers on your injectors.